Well, I've come out to check on the bait and it's gone, so it must have flew off. I thought that was it before, but it isn't. It's not. It's a bit of like algae stuff. Just gonna save the. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Look, because I just whistled him. Just whistled him down. Where's he gone? It flew off. Watching a bee at the side of me here, keep my eye on it. Look. In there. Just flew right by me. And although I like to help them, it does scare me if they come too close to me. Where's my little fella gone? He's just been here. These are plastic. See them palms? Wouldn't dream it, would you? But that is my pot. It is another bee. I wonder if that's the bee from before. My palm tree died in the cold weather, the winter. So I bought them plastic ones from Temu, 4 of them. And my son stuck them round them. Looks good, doesn't it? Does the job. Because we didn't want to dig the root out. Now this little fella's getting stuck in. That might be the one from before. As he's gone. Better look at him. Where's this fella gone? Another little tiny bird. Eating off the bird food off the robin's table. But the robin's got this here. He's been going here, eating his mealy worms there. He has been bouncing round the back, but just come out to try and catch him. And he's disappeared. I have whistled him, but he hasn't come back. So I don't know where he's gone. So he has got like a big woods behind to go anywhere. He's got plenty of places. In the meantime, all the other birds are going to this, as long as the big pigeons don't come, because they eat the bloody lot. Yeah, he's got off.